What does IG mean in texting?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode of our series on decoding texting lingo. Today, we are going to demystify the term IG that you often encounter in texting or online chats. Let's get started.
What does IG stand for?
The term IG stands for Instagram, which is a popular social media platform. When used in text messages or online, it often refers to this platform. For instance, someone might say, "Check out my latest post on IG," meaning they've posted something new on Instagram.
Are there other meanings for IG?
Though less common, IG can also stand for "I guess" in informal texting slang. It's usually used when someone is uncertain about something. For instance, if someone asks, "Are you coming to the party tonight?" you might respond, "IG, if I can get my work done in time."
How to use IG correctly?
Knowing what IG stands for is great, but it's also crucial to know how to use it correctly. Let's break it down. 1. As Instagram. If you want to refer to Instagram, you can say, "Have you seen the IG post about the charity event?" 2. As I guess. If you're not sure about something and want to express uncertainty or ambivalence, you could say, "IG, we can try that restaurant next time." Just remember, like any slang or acronym, use it where it's appropriate. Professional emails or formal writing may not be the best place to use it. And there you have it. You now know what IG stands for in texting, either Instagram or I guess. Thank you for joining us today on Decoding Texting Lingo. We hope this video has been helpful in your digital communication journey. Stay tuned for more episodes where we decode more internet acronyms and slang. Until then, keep texting and keep learning.